This is my presentation on the game that I designed using quizzes for my Zones of Regulation program. Who is this review for? I created this quizzes towards my students that are in a couple of different self-contained classrooms in my middle school that services grades 6 through 8. These classrooms educate students with eligibilities of intellectual disabilities and emotional disturbance. These are students who present with challenges in regulating their level of arousal and implementing strategies to assist them in doing so. According to the Zones website, it's a cognitive behavioral approach used to teach self-regulation by categorizing all of the different ways we feel and states of alertness we experience into 4 concrete colored zones. The Zones framework provides strategies to teach students to become more aware of and independent in controlling their emotions and impulses, manage their sensory needs, and improve their ability to problem-solve conflicts. In June of 2019, ODE adopted social and emotional learning standards, and according to their website, social emotional learning is the process through which children and adults acquire and effectively apply the knowledge, attitudes, and skills necessary to understand and manage emotions, set and achieve positive goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain positive relationships, and make responsible decisions. There are 5 areas that are addressed in these standards, and they are self-awareness, self-management, social awareness, relationship skills, and responsible decision-making. There are a couple of different standards that the Zones program applies to. I've identified A1 and B1 here under the middle school grades 6 through 8 standards. These are areas that I think the Zones can help. And I won't go ahead and read those, but they are really applicable to the Zones of Regulation. This is an example of a question with the choices. I did try to align the different colors since they do have blue, green, yellow, and red, but unfortunately they randomized the questions, so that was not a possibility. When the student gets a correct answer, it highlights green. Here's another question that I had, and when it's incorrect, the incorrect answer turns red and the correct answer turns green. This is a link to my quiz, and in this presentation, I embedded a screen recording of the game, which I will also add to the posting. The benefits of this review game is that this is a topic that could be challenging for the students who it's designed for, the intellectual disabilities and emotional disturbance eligibilities. By using a game method of review, I'm promoting a more engaging method for the students to continue to learn these skills. And the review game consists of 30 different questions with visual supports for the students who may have difficulty reading. Some challenges are that this game could be too long for students at 30 questions to maintain engagement for the entire time. And so, if so, we could do it in a couple different administrations. With the population I have geared this game towards, they may not put forth the full effort and just click through with random responses. And the visual supports I have added may be too vague and could have dual answers. I think that more and more educators are using gaming to reinforce the concepts being taught to students. Students tend to be more engaged in interactive ways of learning, and gaming can make the learning and reviewing of the concepts more motivating for the students. And perhaps some teachers are or will in the future use gaming as a testing tool to help make the act of testing more exciting and interactive. And here are my resources. Thank you very much.